Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today also I came with another video. Today my topic is you can see here, this is brand wise Candy brand 7 kg front loader washing machine. This machine having problem with the from the beginning. It's not working actually at all. It's showing direct, it's showing E1 error message. And now I have to check what is the problem exactly, because the most probably our field technician, they knows problem with the door switch. It is any error message coming E01. That's mean problem with the door switch. But anyway, we will check what is the exactly problem with this machine. If it is door switch, we have to replace the door switch. Otherwise, we have to check the main control board. Now anyway, we will go to the next step and we will check what is the exactly problem. Now you can see, dear friends, this one no any problem with the bearing and all. It's not making abnormal noise. This is smoothly running machine. Now I will close the door. Also I already given power connection. Now I'm selecting here drain and spin cycle. Here it is from the beginning, it's showing E01. That's mean it's something problem with the control board, otherwise door switch. Anyway, we will check. First we have to remove the top cover. After that we have to check control board, door switch, everything, and we will go to the next step. Now we have to remove the 3 back of screw. After that we can take out top cover. Also I will show you how to take it. Part we can remove first. After that we have to pull out slowly. Yes, it will come like that. Now we can check here main control board. This is the main control board here. Also we can check door switch. I given already power. Also again I will select here drain, but it is, dear friend, it is showing direct E01. Now what we can do, here door already got lock again, door lock already, but showing here direct, it's showing E01. You can see, dear friends. Now we have to, actually it is no problem with the door. I think its door already got locked now. Problem with the control board should be, and we will remove the control board and we will check. जोड़ो एक बार कौन दे दो 7 नंबर है 7. Still showing E01. Now we will disconnect the power here first and we will remove the main control board. Here I already removed drawer, and here also 2 screw we have to remove. Difficult to remove also because the too much corroded. This one also we will remove here, these 2 screws, and also this side. Now dear friends, I remove already front panel. Also it's very difficult because already came corrosion. Now I will do one thing, I will remove all the harness from here. Yes, I remove already because too much actually cockroaches are gone. Now we will remove here, and we will remove first knob. After that we can yes dear, now I already remove. You can see here still having too much cockroaches. Because of that actually it is something shorted maybe. Also I will remove the ribbon also here. Now it's okay. Now you can see here it is here already burn mark here. It is already shorted, I think, cockroaches. Yes, it is short already here. But anyway, we will clean and check again one time. We will check with the contact cleaner. After that we will fix and we will check if it is working or not. If it is working, we can replace. No need to replace the control board, otherwise we have to replace the control board. And we will clean and check first. I am using contact cleaner, and we will check after cleaning. It is still having cockroaches here inside. It's too much cockroaches still. Now dear friends, I already cleaned with the contactor cleaner. Now I will fix again and I will check if it's whether working or not. Yeah, it's okay here. Here also no problem. Now I have to fix a ribbon here. We have to take it out like this, and we have to enter here. We have to enter. After that we can press here. Now it's okay. You can see it is already got locked. Now I will give the connection again. All the connectors I have to fix again as same before. Yes. Given all the connections. Now we will check one time again if it is working or not. Door, no problem, door switch. Now it is already unlocked. Now it's okay. Now I already given power connection. Again I'm selecting drain and spin here. Yes dear, it is again showing E01. Yes dear friends, now what we can do, I'm going to replace the main control board because this type of control board is very difficult to repair. It is actually because of the cockroaches, it is already got shorted. Because of that it's very difficult to repair. Because of that I'm going to replace the new control board. I will remove the selector switch again first. Still having, you can see here, still having friends are here. We have to put after repairing we have to put something insect killer. Now I have to remove the control board again. I will remove here. Yes, dear friends, now what we can do, I'm going to replace this one because this one not working anymore. Now dear friends, actually I having a control board new one. This one it is little bit difficult difference actually. You can see here. This one part number wise also difference. This part number is 1689. This part number is 3369. That's mean it is some difference. You can see this one. This connectors, everything's are okay. This side is okay. Connectors, everything's perfect. But the problem is display. This display is very big. This one is very small. Because of that, we can fix this one. No issue. I will show you how to fix this one. Now the problem only display, because this mounting is not the same. Because of that, what we can do, we have to remove this piece. I will remove. I have to remove this piece. It's like that. Still having cockroach, my dear, inside. It's too much cockroaches are there. The problem with the cockroach only. Still having. You can see here this ribbon number also here you can see. This is 410-44800. This is the ribbon number. No need to replace unnecessary ribbon. Ribbon is okay. Because of that, I'm going to replace this part. Now I have to replace this part. You can see here. After that, because this display area is big, this one is small. Because of that, here no problem here. Panel, because of that, now I will replace, and also I have to clean here first. Yes, yes, okay. Now dear friends, first we have to fix this mounting here like that. I'm fixing. After that, we can fix the. Now I'm going to use this PCB. Now it is okay. Now I can fix like that. First we will fix here. And I have to. Now it is okay. Lock already came. This one we need only the touch panel only. Because of that, nothing to worry. Now I will fix here ribbon. Now it's okay. Now I can tie it. Now it's okay, dear. Now we can check also. Also I will fix here this screw also. I will give the connections. I have to fix the harness. Now it's okay. Now we can check also. I will give the power connection and we will check. Also I will fix the selector knob. Here this way should come to here. Now it's okay. Now I will give the power connection also. Now dear, I will select here options. Again I will select drain and spin here. It is 10 minutes will come. Drain pump already, yes dear, you can see it is door already got lock. Motor start to work. Machine is okay. Now we have to fix. As same all drawers and everything. After that we will give the water connection and we will check. Detergent drawer here. I already replaced screws because that is already got corroded because of that. Now it's okay. You can see here spin cycle is still increasing timing. Now it's okay dear. Now I will give the water connection also, we will check with the water. You can see dear, it is no problem with the display. It is working, it's showing. Touch also working, everything you can see. No any problem. Now I will shut down the machine again. And I will give the water connection and I will check. I have already given water connection also. Again I am selecting here one option. Yes, I am selecting 40 option. I am select already. Start the machine. Door already got lock. Drain pump also working. Yes my dear, it is working. Water take into the machine. Yes, water coming. Water take into the machine. We will check. It's getting through the pressure sensor. Is water getting cut off or not? Yes dear friends, water already got stopped. That's mean pressure sensor, everything perfect. Now machine is running well. You can see here. It is having actually they are using actually it is actually very badly. I think it's using detergent also, not for the automatic detergent powder. It's too much bubble inside. Machine is running now. Yes dear, my job already completed. Thanks for watching my channel. We will meet with another video very shortly. Thank you again.